Welcome back to Sustainability. Nekkar, BMS to test new turbine installation tool. Norwegian industrial technology company Nekkar and BMS Heavy Cranes have signed an innovative agreement to develop and test a new wind turbine installation tool. As part of the contract, BMS Heavy Cranes will participate in the verification and benchmarking of the Nekkar Skywalker installer, as well as share logistics and handling expertise and technical information. BMS Heavy Cranes will also evaluate the cost of the Skywalker solution against other technologies and participate as Nekkar's lifting and installation partner in full-scale prototype testing and bringing the technology to market. Several of the large international wind turbine manufacturers utilize BMS Heavy Cranes as their preferred wind turbine lifting service partner. This knowledge will be used to optimize the Skywalker design to meet the market needs, said Ole Falk Hansen, CEO of Nekkar. AGL to close South Australia's main gas power station, citing new grid link and cheaper renewables. AGL Energy will close its main gas-fired power station in South Australia by 2026, citing the completion of a new grid connection with NSW that will give the state better access to cheap renewable energy. The energy giant, which has been attacked by billionaire campaigner Mike Cannon-Brookes over the pace of its decarbonization, told the ASX on Thursday it would shut down the remaining 3 units of the 600-megawatt Torrens Island B gas-fired power station, June 30, 2026. The closure plan was, in part, driven by the construction of a new transmission line between NSW and South Australia, range that is due to begin operating by mid-2026, AGL said. The decision was influenced by the growth of renewable energy in the country. During the day, wind and solar power typically cover most of the state's electricity needs. Rooftop solar panels alone provided more than 4/5 of the supply in the afternoon, the OpenNEM website showed. China on track to hit new clean and dirty power records in 2022. China is expected to delight and dismay climate watchers in equal measure in 2022, setting new global records for both clean electricity use and coal-fired electricity emissions. China's solar power output grew by more than 30% in January-October 2021 compared to the same period in 2021, while wind power grew by 25%, strengthening the country's position as the largest adopter of renewable energy in the world, member shows. Beijing's commitment to the development of renewable energy on an unprecedented scale cannot be questioned. The country used more renewable energy production capacity in 2021 than the rest of the world combined. In 2022, China's solar and wind expansion will bring it to 3,000 terawatt-hours of clean energy power generation, far more than any other country, and raise the share of clean energy in China's electricity mix to a national record, 31.9%, Ember data shows. China's influence on the clean energy front is proportional to its economic weight, fueled by billions of tons of coal in recent decades. The good news for climate watchers, however, is that Beijing is committed to much cleaner energy sources in the future.